Good morning, everyone. Last day today in Europe, and I am feeling a little bit emotional today because, yes, I don't want to go from here. I wish I could have some more days here, but yes, have to go. I'm missing home also, and yes, today I'll be exploring the rest of the Budapest that I have not explored yesterday. I have to go to the Fisherman's Bastion first, then Buddha Castle, then एक cafe में जाना था, like it's the New York cafe, the most famous cafe all over the internet. So I want to go there very bad, like very bad. So मैं क्या करूँगी, फर्स्ट हाफ तो आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लोर ऑल द प्लेसेस, देन आई विल कम टू माई B&B, then again I'll get changed, like, and then I'll go to the New York cafe. Yes, and Buddha side I will cover today, like Buddha Castle, the Fisherman's Bastion, and एक church है वो भी देखना है. So yes, all set to go. The last day we will make the most of it. And why we need to go? Holidays are over. Back to work. My God, काम का सोचते ही ना एकदम कैसा लग जाता है यार. लेकिन नहीं, काम की वजह से ही मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ अभी तक. Yes, I'll have to go back, then walk, and then make some money, then again I'll come back someday. Yes, definitely. ऐसे ही मोटिवेशन होना चाहिए काम करने के लिए. So yes, so meet you in the Fisherman's Bastion then, okay? No, बीच में जो मेट्रो थिंग आएगा, क्योंकि आज मैं मेट्रो से जाऊंगी, मैं वॉक नहीं करूंगी. तो जो मेट्रो का जो जैसे जो है, तो I'll show you guys about the metro thing कि how it works and how it doesn't works. So मुझे दो का ये टिकट लेना पड़ेगा, तो एक जाने का एक आने का. So I'll buy the tickets. It's very cheap, like 150 का आपको जाने का लगेगा और 150 आने का लगेगा. 300 रुपये में आपका लगभग हो जाएगा मेट्रो का टिकट. आई होप सो मैं जाके भी पता करती हूँ. ओके, बाय बाय. इट्स वेरी कोल्ड आउट हियर, बट मैं आज कैसे भी करके मैं आज ट्रेंच कोट नहीं पहनूंगी. लाइक आई हैव टू स्टाइल इट बिकॉज आई विल नॉट लेयर टुडे. स्टाइल के चक्कर में आई विल डू दैट टुडे. यस, बिकॉज आई नीड सम गुड पिक्चर्स, यू नो. Got this two ticket, एक जाने का एक आने का. Now we need to validate those. Got the tickets from the vending machine, and now I have validated it and going towards the Fisherman's Bastion now. यहाँ पे मैंने मेट्रो चेंज करना है, मुझे M2 लेना होगा मुझे टू रिच नियर द फिशरमैन्स बेस्टियन. फिर वहाँ से मुझे एक बस लेना है. यस, सो इस साइड में जाना पड़ेगा मुझे. दिल्ली पलियोद्वर. टू रिच लाइक फिशरमैन्स बेस्टियन you need to change 2 trains and then a bus, then you reach Fisherman's Bastion. Yes. I have decided that I'll walk and go because बस बहुत frequently आता है यहाँ पे. So यहाँ से just it's like 500 meter distance पे है. So I decided to walk till there. It's a little bit uphill, तो मेरी फट रही है अभी, but the weather is good, so I don't care. Yes, and the wind is like yesterday only. It's very strong because मैं पहुंची हूँ अभी फिर से यहाँ पे जहाँ पार्लियामेंट है. लाइक कल मैं उस साइड पे थी, आज इस साइड पे हूँ. टुडे आई एम इन द बुरा साइड. कल मैं उस तरफ थी, वेस्ट साइड पे थी. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रॉम हियर. दैट्स द पार्लियामेंट. नाइस. जहाँ पे भी धूप दिखता है ना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है देख के. अरे नो, कहाँ से इतना हवा आ रहा है यार यहाँ पे. माय गॉड, इसको देखो. ओह हाय हाय. ओह हाउ क्यूट. am not ready for this. I am not ready for this. Wow, this is nice. The thing behind me, it's so beautiful. It's made of stone. I know what it is, but it really looks beautiful. See? It's really uphill. Oh, it's really uphill. कार्डियो हो गया, कार्डियो हो गया मेरा यहाँ पे आके. एक्सरसाइज करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई होप आई लूज सम वेट. फाइनली रीच द स्पॉट यू गाइस. रास्ते में एक बस मिल गया था 16A that comes to Fisherman's Bastion directly. So I came took the bus and came because इतना चला नहीं जा रहा था मुझसे और बहुत अपहिल था. यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए तो मुझे और फिर से आधा घंटा लग जाता था, तो हाफ एन आवर फिर से लग जाता था पहुँचने के लिए. So that's why I took the bus and came here. Just look at the view. This is the place from the Fisherman's Bastion, guys. Wow. How sweet of a girl here, where she's from Greece, and she showed me struggling with the tripod, and then she clicked so many pictures of mine, and I'm so happy, so happy. Thanks to her so much, really. See the view. Too many people now. Hello. One chicken pesto. Yes. And cappuccino. And cappuccino. Cappuccino.
One with cream, heavy. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
बहुत भूख लग रही थी मुझे. So I had a coffee and a pesto. So उसके बाद I'll just do the sightseeing part. Castle, though, it's very pretty. This is the view, you guys, from here. See the view from here, guys. It looks heaven. Wow. Fisherman's Bastion was really nice though. It was rushed because obviously I came late. मेरा प्लान था आने का यहाँ पे सुबह 7:30, but I reached at around 11. Just imagine how late I was, and I thought that मैं जल्दी आऊँगी और थोड़ा crowd कम रहेगा तो I'll cover every corner of it and click pictures everywhere possible, but इतना rush में it's not possible to get good pictures, but still I managed to somehow. एक दो तो आया है अच्छा. And now I'm going to the Buddha Castle. It's only 1 kilometer from the Fisherman's Bastion. So वहाँ से आप लोग you can just come walking. It's nearby only. It's very walkable, and yes, you can make it by walking. And Saint Matthew's Church जो है वो एकदम very first when we reached Fisherman's Bastion, उससे पहले जो एक चर्च है वो सेंट मैथ्यूस चर्च है. फिर उसके बाद फिशरमैन्स बेस्टन आता है. फिर अभी ये बुधा कैसल 1 किलोमीटर दूरी पे है. So let's go. Just sitting near the park. In front is the chain bridge. Yes, and sitting in the park relaxing a bit because I have walked a lot today. So and yeah, such a bad luck guys. बूढ़ा कैसल में मेरा चार्ज ख़त्म हो गया था, लाइक इसका मेरा चार्ज ख़त्म हो गया था, बैटरी नहीं था, लाइक माई कैमरा गॉट ऑफ बिकॉज charge nahi tha and I didn't realize, and then I got like a power bank with me and like extra charger with me, so I put it in a एक इसमें charge किया, and then like I don't know why my camera didn't work at that time, so yes, waiting near the sitting here relaxing a bit. It's almost 1:30 now, and after that I'll be going to the room. I'll just rest a bit, and then we'll go to the Cafe New York at night, maybe at evening. Yeah, so this tram. This is basically a park. Everyone sits here near the chain bridge. यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ पिक्चर्स लिए. It turned out to be good, you know. And yes, relaxing a bit. धूप सेक रही हो, धूप, because इतनी ठंडी लगी है मुझे. Waiting for my bus now. That will drop me to Diak Farang Trair. So that bus will take me to Diak Farang Trair. There I have to like the names, God. There I have to get down, and from there I'll take metro. I have to change 2 metros from there. So I have got the tickets, return tickets also, round tickets. So I'll validate it, and from that time onwards, my time will be counted till 90 minutes. Okay. So my bus has come. That is my bus. The second one. Taking the metro now to Newgati Palyodvar from Diak Farang Trair. The metro down, and I am here at Diak Farang Trair. From here I have to go to the Newgati. What is the name? Yeah, Newgati Palyodvar. I have to go there. उचपेट कॉच पॉन्ड के डायरेक्शन में जाना है हम लोग को. उचपेट कॉच पॉन्ड. व्हाट इज़ द नेम गाइस? ये तो मुझे 1 साल लग जाएंगे नाम याद करते करते. वी आर विद द Diak Farang Trair स्टेशन, एंड हम लोग को जाना है न्यूगाती पालियोडवार. वहाँ पे जाना है. सो ट्रेन गोज डायरेक्टली टू दैट डायरेक्शन ओनली, एंड वी हैव टू गेट ऑफ देयर. या दिस इज द स्टेशन यू गाइस. उचपेट कॉच पॉन्ड. Will almost reach my place. यहाँ पे एक अजीब चीज़ मैंने क्या देखा है कि if you don't validate the tickets, कोई भी कैसे भी like without any tickets गाड़ी पे चढ़ सकता है. Like they can take metro without any tickets, they can take bus without any tickets, and no one is there to check over there like in bus. जैसे जब मैं बूढ़ा कैसल से नीचे आ रही थी तब मैंने एक बस लिया था, तो मेरा टिकट जो है वो वैलिडेट नहीं हुआ बस पे. देन आई थॉट कि चलो ठीक है, मैं मेट्रो में आके वैलिडेट कर लूँगी. तो मैं बस से मेट्रो तक ऐसे ही आ गई विदाउट एनी टिकट. ओके. सो बट येस, अगर टिकट सबके पास नहीं हो और सडनली आपका वेरीफाई हो गया तो आपका मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ाइन हो सकता है यहाँ पे. But I have seen people, they are not using, like not the local ones, not the tourist ones. I don't know local क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे locals. ये लोग टिकट यूज़ करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं. लेकिन बहुत जन यहाँ ऐसे भी है कि without any tickets they hop off the bus, hop on the bus and hop. हाँ, लेकिन मेट्रो स्टेशन में आपको वहाँ पे guards रहते हैं to check your tickets whether you have tickets or not. So they check in metro, but in bus they don't check usually. Hi guys, how am I looking? And right now I'm going to the Cafe New York. Like it's the famous cafe in Budapest. Like it's very old. Cafe New York is like decade old. So I'm going there right now. So this is my look, that I'm wearing a blazer because it's cold outside and the color is really good. Yes, the color is nice. And now from here, approximately the cafe is around 2.2 kilometer, like from my stay. So I'll be taking a metro, then I'll have to change two metros to reach that place, and then while returning also I have to like change two metros. Okay, so yes, I haven't done any booking for my tables. It's really very rush out there because it's a famous cafe in Budapest, the New York Cafe. So, and the price is on the higher side, like in the ultimate level of higher side. So I'll not have so much of things there. So I'll just have some coffee or maybe try some pastries maybe. Yes. So yeah, guys, going to Cafe New York. Okay, it's Cafe New York but in Budapest. Budapest का Cafe New York है ये. Yes. Bye guys. I'm going right now. Okay. Bye bye. Going towards the metro. This color suits me, I guess. है ना? खुद ही खुद की तारीफ कर रही हूँ. Because कोई तारीफ करने वाला तो है नहीं. Reached the New York Cafe, you guys. I don't know whether I'll get a seat or not, but see the New York Cafe. This is the one, the famous New York Cafe. New York Cafe. Lighting बहुत अच्छा है इसका.
Devi tre parole, questo è amico mio. No? Perché credo fosse vedi? Ad oggi. Perché però io invece ci sarei andato.
My god, is this? And this is the 24 karat gold hot chocolate. Oh my god. 24 karat gold hot chocolate. जिंदगी में नहीं खाया मैंने यार गोल्ड का hot chocolate. Thank you. Wow, this is beautiful. ले तो लिया मैंने इतना महंगा चीज़, बट इट्स टू स्वीट. लाइक स्वीटनेस ओवरलोड हो गया मेरा. हैंग ओवर जो बोलते हैं ना, स्वीटनेस हैंग ओवर, वैसा हो गया है मेरा. आई कैन नॉट ईट मोर, मैं नहीं खा पाऊँगी. और माई होल माउथ हैज़ बिकम लाइक स्वीटनेस. मेरे मुंह से पता चल रहा है मेरा हो गया है. आई कैन नॉट हैव मोर. कैन नॉट. I'm done. लिटरली इतना रह गया गाइस, मैं नहीं खा पाई. इट्स ओके, लीव इट. मैं नहीं खा पाऊँगी, बीमार हो जाऊँगी मैं. द न्यूयॉर्क कैफ़े गाइस. दिस इज़ द न्यूयॉर्क कैफ़े. Well, almost reached my hotel guys. Done with Europe, everything. Tomorrow I'm going back to India, to my place, Guwahati. Yes, obviously I miss my, home a lot, and at the same time I'm feeling bad also, feeling very emotional right now that I'm flying back tomorrow. 15 दिन का जो जर्नी था इतना अच्छा था, like I can't express you, like being solo, like traveling solo is the best decision I have made so far, the best decision I have made to travel solo. Yes, I have learned so many things in this trip, and will cherish every moment that I have spent here, and obviously that's why I have made all those videos, just to recall the memories later. सुनसान रास्ता है, कोई नहीं है गाइस, मैं अकेले, but it's safe really. So yes, I'm feeling really sad because I have to go back tomorrow. उसके लिए नहीं, सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे दुख हो रहा है इस बात का कि मुझे I have to go to work, I have to go to work. Oh my god, I can't even take this thing, can't even take it seriously. नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे मेरा अपार्टमेंट. Where is it? So यार गाइस, काम पे जाना है, उसी का ही डर है. 15 डेज़ के बाद फिर से वही लाइफ स्टार्ट हो जाएगा मेरा. Reach my apartment. So yes, tomorrow I have a flight at around 12:45. So I'll be checking out from here at around 9:30 or 10 maybe. And after that, I have a flight from Budapest to Warsaw, like Poland. In Poland, I have a Warsaw, Poland, and in Poland I have a like layover of around 6-7 hours maybe. Yes, 6-7 hours, and then from Warsaw directly my flight will land New Delhi. So yes, done with 15 days of holidays in Europe. The beautiful, the best time I have had in my entire life, I could say. Like, I had the best time in my entire life. This 15 days was like a fairy tale for me. Everything I have done on my own. And yes, most of them has asked me about the did I booked any tour package or not, like did I book any kind of package or like tours and travels or anything like that. But let me tell you guys that I haven't booked anything, like any packages. Everything I did was like research, ChatGPT, Google, and like you have many websites around. You have to research by your own self. So I did the same, and I researched like this is a planning of around 3-4 months. So I have researched each and everything, and then I have come here. And yes, the visa part, the most important, the visa part. I got the visa. That's why I could manage to come here. And I had to go for my visa to Kolkata. I went on February, and that part I haven't done any kind of video or something because I was not sure about it, like my visa will be accepted or rejected. So that's why I haven't done that part. So yes, after getting my visa, like it took me around 15 days to get my visa. Yes, I remember. So everything I have done on my own, like planning, plotting, like preparing everything on my own. And the metro thing, I have figured it out by myself. When you reach here, you see you'll like analyze the metro thing, and then you'll like come to know which direction to go and which not. So you will come here and you'll get to know about it. So it's very easy. Good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Good morning, guys. It's time to leave Europe. I got ready, and obviously feeling bad, really feeling bad about it that I'm leaving today, and nothing much to say. I'm leaving. Bye bye, you guys. We'll see you at the airport, and yes, bye bye.
We ask that you take your seat as indicated on your boarding pass. Passengers seated in a front row seat or next to an emergency exit must place all their hand luggage and personal belongings in the overhead compartments only. In case of evacuation, leave all hand luggage on board. If you have any questions or need
Got some cashew nuts and wine, white wine. That's what I love about international flights. I just love this white wine, and got some wine and some cashew nuts. That's what I love about international flights. Guwahati, you guys. Just reach home, you guys. बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके, लाइक घर पहुँच के. एंड यस, कि सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है मेरा इस बात का कि मैं आफ्टर 16 डेज़ राइस खाऊंगी, राइस चावल खाऊंगी. उसके लिए मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज 15-16 डेज़ में वहाँ पे मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिला, कुछ भी नहीं खाई मैं, चावल खाई भी नहीं एक दिन भी. सो that's why I'm very excited. I told mom to make some good pulao and some chicken for me, and yes, and I'm very excited for that, and she is so excited that she met me after so many days, and I could see in her eyes like how excited she was to meet me after so many days. And और एक चीज़ है कि मतलब जो मैंने एक ग्लास लिया था मिलान से, तो उसका टैक्स रिफ़ंड के लिए जो था, तो असली मैंने बुडापेस्ट एयरपोर्ट से टैक्स रिफ़ंड का मैंने देखा था. फिर इन लोगों ने बोला कि मतलब ये बुडापेस्ट एयरपोर्ट से नहीं होगा, क्योंकि जबकि आपका लास्ट यूरोपियन कंट्री है पोलैंड, सो यू हैव टू ट्राई इट फ्रॉम पोलैंड. ओके, सो मैं पोलैंड गई, तो पोलैंड जाने के बाद वहाँ पे उन्होंने बोला कि एक जो रिसिप्ट देते हैं ना शॉप से, तो वहाँ पे वो स्टैम्प नहीं था, वो कस्टम का स्टैम्प चाहिए. तो मैंने फिर कस्टम ऑफिसर से स्टैम्प लिया उसमें. फिर उन लोगों ने बोला कि ये जो रिसिप्ट है वो मेरे यहाँ से उस जगह तक कुरियर करके मुझे देना होगा, तब जाके वो लोग कैश रिफ़ंड कर देंगे. कैश एज इन कार्ड पे रिफ़ंड कर देंगे या फिर अकाउंट पे रिफ़ंड कर देंगे, लेकिन ऑन काउंटर वो लोग रिफ़ंड नहीं करेंगे वो चीज़. सो इसीलिए वो चीज़ मैंने ब्लॉग तब मैंने किया नहीं था, बहुत दौड़ा दौड़ी था उस समय, क्योंकि मेरा फ़्लाइट बहुत मतलब फ़्लाइट का टाइम हो गया था एंड ऑल दैट. सो यस, मेरा उस समय ब्लॉग करना नहीं हुआ. सो दैट्स वाई आई हैव इन्फॉर्म्ड यू गाइज अबाउट द टैक्स रिफ़ंड थिंग. So that's it, guys. I'm ending this Europe series here. Hope you all like my first attempt to make a blog or something. So I hope you all will show some love to my videos. So yes, guys, thank you. Bye.